This function here is a special kind of function. It's got a couple of different names. But in general, it's a plus or minus b sine of theta. And we've got a few different cases, actually. First of all, let's just look at the plus, and then we'll do the minus after that. So, assuming both a and b are positive, okay, if a is greater than b, we have something that looks like this. It comes up to a plus b on the vertical axis. And it starts out over here at a, and it's going to go over here as well. And it kind of loops around, hits this point, comes around, and then gets a little dimple right there. Okay. And this point here, actually, the distance from the origin to that is at a minus b. Okay. In fact, if you wanted to label the point, it's b minus a as far as thinking about it on the y-axis. If a equals b, we actually have almost the same thing. It's just that well, we still come out, we hit and we still come in, but then a minus b, of course, is 0. So let me just get rid of that. There we go. So we get that type of shape. It's the same type of shape, but our dimple comes into a cusp now. It still comes up to a plus b, and it still comes out here to a. And then, of course, we have the case if a is less than b. And you can see we progressively can kind of pushing this point in. And if we push further, what happens is we actually come in and we actually get a little loop like that. Again, this is a plus b, and this distance here is now b minus a. Okay, and actually, the minus here, if you put a minus there, it just flips it around. So if you put a minus there, it flips this across the axis. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that for this one. We'll do our axes. Oh, let's do it in black. We've got 1 and 2, so this number a is smaller than this number b, so we're going to have the little inside loop here. But we flip it, and so we come down here. A plus b is 3, so it comes down to 3. And then we start out here again at a. It's going to be, I guess we should do it kind of close. There we go. So it comes out to 1, and so it comes out. Whoops, goes to negative 1. Comes in and hits this little loop. Looks like that, and this comes down. So if this is, I guess if we call it negative 3 for being on the vertical axis, then this is going to be a negative 1 because you take a minus b or b minus a, just the difference of those two, and that's how far away from the origin it is.